it's recording. Right, it's it's Thursday. I've got hardly any sleep. Doesn't look like a great day today. Today we are, what am I doing today? Got breakfast in the morning. Went to breakfast with my girlfriend's gran, and I've got to post university forms today. So you come along with me for that, and I'll see what else happens today. If I get pack, if I get to Judy's, and yeah, bed sheets need washed, so they're off as well. Bye bye, Eva.
What?
Bye bye. I don't know why you wake up but still keep snoring. It's not a normal thing to do.
And I made the shop
I'm gonna go and get some breakfast from Co-op before I actually start doing anything today, because I'm starving. I'm gonna set some chicken and some toast. There's some bread to make toast. And I'm making a shortbread donut just to treat myself. Now we're at Judy's. Now we're leaving Judy's. I'm taking a video of the bacon.
That's fine. But yeah, well, that's good then.
You're not in?
I'm not in Thursday next week.
We go again.
Oh, bad.
I wouldn't find it.
That's cute. I don't think many people in central Scotland are holding out for a Leeds United birthday card. Very odd thing to have. Right, I've now got to go and post my university forms and make a correction on them as well very quickly. Hi, can I get this sent to first class and guaranteed for tomorrow? On the scale, cool. That is done, so we can now start heading home. So I'm currently taking the recycling out and I'm going to the Co-op to get Jodie something to eat. But my head is fucking killing me, and it's not really what I want to be doing right now. So that's the main bit of recycling done. I'm still left with a paper bag because they don't actually have a big paper bin at our recycling point, so I'm now carrying this bag around with me. And I'm just about to run to the Co-op just now, so I'll be with you in a second. I have no idea. Well, she said Shiraz wine. I don't know what that is. I don't drink wine. I'm more of a Caribbean twist man myself. Oh, Jesus. You got it. Oh yeah, sorry, ID. Sorry. Take care. See you later. Bye bye. Got the wine, got the Coke, got the Galaxy, got everything. Right, my head's killing me. So I think I'm going to end this day here. I'm trying to go to bed. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, Amy. Hello, it's Friday. 1:20 to be precise. I'm currently on my way uptown to put some money in the bank, and I don't know, just have a look around the shops, I think. I had to pick up some noodles from Meg, and now I'm going to get a taxi home. I bought Green Hill. I need some cake. And I'm here. I'm sorry today I've not been up to much. I've literally just, apart from going uptown, I've just sat in the house, playing on my laptop and watched videos. So it's not really been an interesting day, to be honest with you. But tomorrow we've got the Celtic charity game, and we've got Ashley and Brandon coming over, who I hope are actually watching this. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and there's a good chance I'll probably see you two tomorrow as well. It's Saturday. I've washed my hair, shaved, I'm ready to go. You really can't go wrong with some French toast for breakfast. Top meal. Top meal. Yeah, game's done.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I'll keep that one.
That's some size of a telescope.
Yes, I want to go. I don't know what you mean.
I just wanna dance with somebody.
I'm absolutely shattered. Well, that was 2 Caribbean twists. I filled one note with vodka though. I am absolutely shattered after last night. I'm sorry I didn't record much, but I'm just so fucked. I recorded some little snippets of what we got up to, but none of it was really serious. So yes, it was just kind of, apart from the Celtic game, a bit of a write-off. So now I have to try and find a way home, which is a little bit of an issue. But then, after I actually get home, me and Judy are heading to Nando's for a family meal, and that's me. And I can edit this to get out for Monday. As always, keeping it healthy for the breakfast with some Iron Brew and some Caramel Galaxy. Fantastic stuff. The only issue now is, I do not know how to get home. Find my way home. And I'm home. Here's the rain. Listen to that. Fantastic stuff. I speak to the mirror because it's easier than me turning the camera in and speaking to it myself, because I could be cutting half my head off. But I'm going to edit the video and I'll see you soon. That's the video I did. Now I need to get ready as we have our family meal at Nando's and I have no idea what I'm going to wear. And that's me back from the meal. Got a nice bit of cake right there. Look at that. If I can get it in focus, there you go, that's nice. Just sat down to watch some Second Yellow Card. And to be honest, I think that's me for this week actually. I've quite enjoyed doing my wee vlog, so I'll be starting again tomorrow and this video, or this vlog, will be out for you to see tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy it and take care.